Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your science teacher Miss Sidra Zafar and this is lecture number 14 for grade 5, unit number 2, the life cycle of a flowering plant. Today's our topic is life cycles of a plant. In this lesson, we study how living things grow, live and die. When we bow a seed, then its first stage is the rupture of the seed coat. Most plants begin their life cycle with a seed. A tiny plant and a seed food is inside every seed. A seed coat covers the outside of the seed and protects the tiny plant inside. You can see this in this picture. In the second stage, when the seed gets enough warmth and moisture, it germinates or sprouts. The seed soaks up water and the seed coat splits open. The seed sprouts, a root grows down into the soil and a little shoot grows up towards the sunlight. In the third stage, as the root grows, a stem will also appear. The bean uses the food in the seed to grow. Leaves will grow on the stem and the plant will stretch towards the light. You can see in this picture. At this stage, the plant is called a seedling and it can use photosynthesis to make its own food. In the fourth stage, the plant will begin to develop flowers. And the flower's function is to reproduce to make new seeds by the process of pollination. In the fifth stage, after pollination, the flower will run into a pot with the seeds inside. Many plants also develop fruit which covers and protects the seed. When the seed has fully developed, the cycle begins again and thus the plant complete its life cycle. You can see the life cycle of a plant in this picture. It starts when the seed germinates. The plant grows. The flowers appears on the plant. The flower produce fruits and the fruits release seeds, means pollination. And the plant dies and which again converts into the seed and the seed germination starts and thus the cycle has begun. Here is a worksheet for you students. Please identify the picture for the life cycle of a bean plant and paste it on this position. You can also mark on these pictures and arrange them, which shows a complete life cycle of a bean plant. Thank you so much students. I hope you understand this. In the next lesson, we will attempt a worksheet regarding to this lecture. So learn this lecture.